Your Nissan is hiding more than you realize, not in a buried settings menu. In plain sight, in features the dealer skipped during your delivery because the handover was timed for throughput, not education. These are 10 genuine Nissan functions that most owners never use, built into the car you already paid for. The final one on this list is the one even long-time owners discover too late. Number 10. The dead key fob start. Every modern push-button Nissan has a backup start procedure that most owners never learn about until the key fob battery fails and they are already stranded in a parking lot. The feature is not buried. It is engineered directly into the vehicle, documented in the owner's manual, and almost never demonstrated at delivery. When the key fob battery dies, pressing the fob directly against the start button allows the vehicle's transponder antenna to read the key at extremely close range. Press the brake, press the button with the fob held flat against it, and the engine starts. This matters because a dying key fob battery is one of the single most common non-critical failures in modern Nissan ownership. Owners encounter it at gas stations, at office parking lots, and at trailheads miles from the nearest dealer. Without the backup procedure, the vehicle appears to be completely dead. With the procedure, the car starts normally and the owner drives to any parts store for a $3 battery replacement. The financial gap between those two scenarios is the cost of a tow, a service call, and potentially a night of lost time. Dealers do not demonstrate this procedure at delivery for a simple reason. A stranded owner calling the service department generates revenue. An owner who knows how to start their own vehicle generates none. Every Nissan model from the past decade with push-button start supports this backup method. The specific sequence varies slightly by model year and should be verified in the owner's manual, but the principle is universal across the lineup. Read that section once and the fear of a dead fob disappears permanently. Your next Nissan trick has been invisible since day one. Number 9. The Easy Fill Tire Alert. This is one of the genuine engineering gems in the current Nissan lineup, and almost nobody knows it exists. Models including the Rogue, Pathfinder, Altima, and Murano come equipped with a tire inflation assistance system that uses the existing tire pressure monitoring sensors to guide the owner through a precise fill. Drive up to any air pump. Start adding air. The vehicle monitors the pressure in the tire in real time. When the correct pressure is reached, the horn sounds a short beep and the exterior lights flash briefly. No tire gauge is required, no guesswork, no overinflation. The practical consequence of this feature goes well beyond convenience. Tires inflated correctly last longer, deliver better fuel economy, and reduce the risk of blowouts and uneven wear. The typical owner without the Easy Fill system either uses a cheap pen gauge that drifts out of calibration or visits a service center to have the tires set. Neither option delivers the precision that the factory TPMS sensors provide at zero additional cost. The feature activates automatically. No settings menu, no subscription, no dealer visit. The only reason owners do not use it is that nobody ever told them it was there. The owner's manual describes it briefly in a section that most buyers never open. The dealer has no commercial reason to explain a feature that saves the customer a service visit. The Easy Fill Tire Alert has existed in the Nissan lineup for years and remains one of the most consistently overlooked factory capabilities in the brand. The feature below has saved owners thousands in wheel damage. Number 8. The Reverse Tilt Passenger Mirror. Nissan models equipped with the memory mirror package include a function that automatically tilts the passenger side exterior mirror downward when the vehicle is shifted into reverse. The purpose is straightforward. When the mirror drops, it shows the rear wheel and the curb line, allowing the driver to parallel park or reverse park tight to the curb without scraping the wheel. The mirror returns to its normal driving position automatically the moment the vehicle shifts out of reverse. This feature is not active by default on every configuration. On most models, it requires the mirror selector switch to be set to the driver's side position and the memory mirror package to be present. Some models also require the function to be enabled in the settings menu under driver assistance or mirror configuration. Once enabled, it operates silently in the background, and the owner simply notices over time that parking has become measurably easier. The commercial context is worth noting. curb rash repair on a modern Nissan alloy wheel routinely runs into the hundreds of dollars per wheel. A set of professionally refinished wheels can push past $1,000. The reverse tilt mirror, properly configured, eliminates the single most common cause of wheel damage in daily driving. The dealer gains nothing by explaining this. The owner who enables it saves hundreds of dollars over the ownership period. The feature remains invisible to the vast majority of Nissan drivers simply because nobody walks them through the menu that activates it. Number 7. The CVT Learning Reset. This one is genuinely technical and genuinely unknown. Modern Nissan CVT transmissions continuously adapt to the driver's behavior. The transmission computer tracks throttle inputs, braking habits, acceleration patterns, and shift requests, then recalibrates the internal programming to match. When multiple people drive the same vehicle with very different styles, or when a single driver's habits change over time, the CVT can begin to feel hesitant, sluggish, or unresponsive. The transmission is not failing. It is adapting to conflicting inputs and producing a compromised calibration that feels worse than either original profile. The reset procedure restores the CVT to its factory learning baseline. The specific sequence varies by model year and typically involves a combination of ignition cycles, pedal inputs, and timing. Nissan technicians use this procedure routinely when diagnosing transmission complaints that have no mechanical cause. The owner, knowing the procedure exists, can perform it at home and restore smoother transmission behavior without a service appointment. The commercial reason dealers avoid discussing this feature is direct. A CVT reset performed in the customer's driveway generates zero revenue. A transmission service booked on the service drive, labeled as a diagnostic investigation, generates several $100. The exact reset procedure for any specific Nissan model is available in the factory service information and in owner community forums. Learning it takes 15 minutes. Not learning it can cost a service visit that was never mechanically necessary. This next one lives inside the key fob on your keyring. If you enjoy this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Number 6. The remote window vent. Most Nissan owners with intelligent key have never realized that the key fob can roll the windows down remotely from outside the vehicle. The function is designed for summer heat management. Before you even touch the door handle on a hot day, a specific sequence on the key fob lowers all 4 windows to ventilate the cabin. Cabin temperatures that would otherwise exceed 50 degrees Celsius drop dramatically in the first 60 seconds after ventilation begins. The air conditioning system, once the vehicle is started, then has a far easier job reaching the target temperature. The sequence varies by model, but on many Nissans it involves holding the unlock button for several seconds after the initial unlock press. Some models roll all 4 windows fully down, others lower them partially to a ventilation position. The exact behavior is documented in the owner's manual, and the function must sometimes be enabled in the settings menu before it will operate. Once active, it transforms the first 60 seconds of any summer drive. The reason this stays invisible to most owners is again the delivery process. The salesperson demonstrating the key fob typically covers lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. The remote window function takes an additional 30 seconds to demonstrate and generates no upsell opportunity. It simply exists quietly for any owner willing to read the key fob section of the manual or test the sequence in a parking lot. The feature is on your key right now. It has been since the day you bought the car. Number 5. The wiper service position. Modern Nissan wipers park below the hood line when not in use. This design improves aerodynamics and keeps the car looking clean, but it creates a practical problem. The wipers cannot be lifted manually for blade replacement or windshield cleaning without risking damage to the arms, the motor linkage, or the hood paint. The service position moves the blades up to the middle of the windshield and locks them in place so they can be serviced safely. Activating the service position requires a specific sequence. Typically, you cycle the ignition, then hold the wiper stalk in a particular direction for a set number of seconds within a tight time window after shutting the vehicle off. The exact procedure varies by model and year and is documented in the maintenance section of the owner's manual. Once activated, the wipers move slowly to the service position and stay there until the ignition is cycled again. The practical benefit is immediate. Wiper blades are one of the most frequently replaced components on any vehicle, with manufacturer intervals of roughly 1 year depending on climate. Dealers often charge $20 to $40 in labor for a job that takes 2 minutes once the blades are accessible. The service position lets the owner perform the replacement in their driveway with a set of blades purchased at any parts store. Over the ownership period, the savings on routine wiper replacements alone can pay for dozens of other maintenance items. The procedure has been in Nissan owners' manuals for years, yet most customers never open that section of the book. Battery saver is the one holiday storage secret. Number 4. The Intelligent Key Battery Saver. Every Nissan with the Intelligent Key system includes a specific mode designed for long-term parking. The system reduces how often the key fob communicates with the vehicle, dramatically lowering parasitic battery drain during extended storage. Owners who park their Nissan for weeks at a time during travel, during seasonal storage, or when the vehicle is a secondary family car are the primary beneficiaries. Without battery saver mode, the 12-volt battery can discharge meaningfully over a matter of weeks. With the mode enabled, the same vehicle can sit for extended periods and start normally when the owner returns. Activation varies by model. Some Nissans enable the mode automatically after a defined period of inactivity. Others require the owner to manually engage it through a specific key fob sequence or a settings menu option. The exact procedure is in the owner's manual, usually in the battery or electrical systems section. Most owners never see it because they do not encounter a dead battery on return from travel until the one time it happens. The commercial context explains why dealers often stay silent. A dead 12-volt battery on a stored Nissan generates a jump-start service call, a diagnostic charge, and frequently a battery replacement at dealer pricing. The battery saver mode eliminates those revenue opportunities by keeping the battery healthy during storage. This is precisely the kind of feature Nissan engineers built into the car to prevent customer frustration, and precisely the kind of feature the commercial delivery process has no incentive to explain. Number 3. The rear wiper reverse logic. This feature is small, elegant, and almost universally unknown. On most current Nissan SUVs and crossovers, including the Rogue, Pathfinder, and Murano, the rear wiper automatically activates when the vehicle is shifted into reverse while the front wipers are already operating. The logic is simple. If the driver has the front wipers on, it is raining or snowing. If the vehicle is reversing, the driver needs clear visibility through the rear window. The car connects those two facts and clears the rear glass without any input from the driver. The feature requires no activation and no configuration on most models. It simply operates whenever the conditions are met. The first time an owner notices it, the reaction is typically a brief moment of confusion, followed by the realization that the car has been quietly taking care of something the driver had not thought to request. The reason it stays invisible is that most owners in mild climates rarely experience the condition that triggers it. The combination of active front wipers and a reverse shift only occurs during weather conditions that themselves are not daily events. When the feature activates, it does so silently and without any dashboard notification. An owner who has driven the same Nissan for 3 years in a dry climate may never have seen it work. On the first rainy day they reverse out of a driveway, they suddenly understand why their rear view is clear. 4 cameras, 1 single image. 0 owners use it. Number 2. The Around View Monitor. Nissan's Around View Monitor synthesizes the feeds from 4 separate cameras, front, rear, and both side mirrors, into a single top-down composite view of the vehicle and its immediate surroundings. The result appears on the infotainment display as though a camera were positioned directly above the car. Tight parking, low obstacles, curb lines, and pedestrians moving near the vehicle all become visible from a single, unified perspective. The feature is available on models including the Murano, Pathfinder, Rogue, Armada, and on various trim levels across the lineup. Activation is typically automatic when the vehicle is shifted into reverse or when the dedicated camera button is pressed. Most versions allow the driver to cycle between multiple camera perspectives using a touch interface on the composite image. Moving obstacle detection, when equipped, overlays an additional warning layer that highlights pedestrians or cyclists crossing the field of view. This feature matters beyond novelty. Parking damage claims, curb rash on wheels, and low-speed collisions with fixed obstacles are among the most common insurance events in modern urban driving. The Around View monitor eliminates most of these incidents by giving the driver complete spatial awareness in exactly the situations where human perspective fails. Owners who use the system regularly report meaningful reductions in parking anxiety, especially in tight urban environments where conventional mirrors and rear cameras alone leave blind zones the eye cannot cover. Number 1. The zero-gravity seating calibration. The final feature on this list is not a button, a menu, or a software routine. It is the physical engineering of the seat itself. Nissan's zero-gravity seat design, developed with NASA-inspired ergonomic research, is calibrated to support the spine in a position that minimizes muscular fatigue over long drives. The seat is shaped, foamed, and bolstered specifically to hold the driver in the posture the human body naturally adopts in a neutral, weight-free environment. The benefit only becomes apparent on longer journeys, where owners notice they arrive at their destination measurably less tired than they would in a comparable vehicle with conventional seating. The engineering is genuine. The feature ships on Altima, Maxima, Rogue, and Pathfinder, and is one of the most heavily invested ergonomic programs in the Nissan product catalogue. The commercial problem is that it is not a feature you can demonstrate in a 5-minute test drive. The benefit only compounds over 2, 3, or 4 hours in the seat, which is precisely the driving profile the showroom environment cannot replicate. The practical activation is simple but rarely done correctly. The seat rewards proper adjustment. Height, tilt, lumbar support, and steering column reach all need to be calibrated to the individual driver before the ergonomic design delivers its full benefit. Most owners set the seat roughly on day 1 and never revisit the configuration. The 10 minutes invested in a proper adjustment, using the seat controls and the steering column telescope together, transform the long-distance driving experience of every Nissan equipped with this seat. It is the single most underused feature in the entire lineup, and the one most likely to change how owners feel about their vehicle over thousands of kilometers of ownership. If you want to see which specific Nissan models deliver the best long-term ownership value and which ones quietly become expensive over 5 years, that breakdown is waiting for you next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one.